Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
So, Shelly, what you say a while ago now?
I said, Jamaican men are very homosocial.
Why?
What I mean by that is, they rather spend them time with them brethren than them women.
Oh, that?
Now, look how much of them pack up suitcase and make reservations to go spend the weekend on the grill, down a dream weekend with them brethren. And you hear them say, they not carry son, go beach. But you rather carry man, go beach? What you saying? I don't need to make up on the man. You see, I don't have a problem with the rainbow flag at the US Embassy, but nobody not talk about the fact that, you know, the big party when all of the Souls music are play, all of them stand up and talk to each other and the women them over there. And somebody to dance now, go look a girl. All the claims say you're into women and you don't talk to women and you don't spend time to women, and you just go out and hang out with one another. Obvious.
Viewers and subscribers, men, because I don't know about any man, but me know about myself. Once you hear the ladies, which would be your wife most likely, complaining, you know, say something might be wrong, and we need to check within ourselves what we are doing wrong and try to fix that, because no man no want to lose the love of their life, you know. You see what I say? And what me hear right here, so is clearly a complaint. You see what I say to you? This is more than clearly a complaint, right? Homos even. You hear it a while ago, so I say, but they don't know if you enunciate it properly, believe you me. But this word is just new to me certain way. You see me? Me not gonna pretend like say yo me never hear this word yet in my life. You see me I say? And man, what an invention, you see? So me bring this to you, my viewers and subscribers, because I want to hear what going out there, right? This lady says something, right? I can't remember the word of it, enunciate it, but you know it's some form of something, but she said, and she said that Jamaican men are like that, right? Me not gonna go online and search and look for the word online and then come and pretend as if me know it like me is the most intelligent person there is. No, me never hear this a word yet in my life. This a word that it licked me. You see me? And it is possible for people to live and never hear of a word before. You get me? So that is the reason why me I just be real and come to you, my viewers and subscribers. Because I want to really and truly tell me if what she said, you see me? It really corresponds. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, any smart person would really and truly have a little understanding basically by what she just explained. You see what I'm saying to you? But I want to know from you, my viewers and subscribers, if this really, if it's appropriate to the terms that she has put it. You see what I said to you? Alright? And this one of the writers is not for bash no gender or anything, you know. We are just talking about the word itself. You see the word itself? Yeah, that we are talking about. We're not talking about what a man do with him life or what a woman do with him life. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, I want to, you know, want to tell me the word. You see? Alright? Well, no watch nothing. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla, you know. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?